Hello, this is the DuraXV Extreme. This video is how to remove and replace the battery, nano SIM, and micro SD card. First, flip the phone over so you have the rear facing up. This is the battery cover. It has a screw right here to hold it in. Use a penny or screwdriver and hear that click. That click means it's done. So I'll do it one more time. Okay, that click means it's ready. Okay, and you could feel it when you unscrew it. Use your fingernail, credit card, or similar object and lift the rear cover. It should come off easily. There's a battery pull tab on the bottom of the battery. The top portion of the battery is held in by the rear housing. So you lift it up. It should tilt up. And right here, this label shows that the SD card goes there and the SIM card goes there. SIM card should be pre-installed. And there's this little cover flap that flips up. It keeps the cards inserted and so they don't eject. So you slightly pull on this flip to flip it open. See a little flip. And the SD card, the SIM card that's inserted, you can eject it by pushing and then it ejects. So it's a push-push slot. You push it in to click it and push it in to eject it. The SD card, micro SD card, you just push it in and it's inserted. To pull it out, you just pull on the tab on the card and it pulls out. If both cards are inserted properly, this flap should be able to click down with no problem. No interference from either card. Okay, you place the battery back the way it came out. The top in first, then the bottom. Then the rear case, this is a waterproof phone, so there's a rubber gasket in here. And to make sure this housing snaps, make sure so there's no gaps. Okay. Then you screw the cover back down until it's snug. Don't over tighten.